everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC, and hopefully the pandemic isn't going to get worse, but who knows, so never know. It's crazy. Anyways, today I have a few unboxings from the shopping channel. In this box from Hudson Bay, this bag, and then I have another unboxing from the shopping channel, and it came in a bag like that. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, which is at least once a week. And if you're returning, thanks so much for returning, and thanks so much for the previous comments. I do appreciate that, so leave them below. I love to hear from you. Alright, so the bag of the day is still my vintage 1980s Coach bag, tote bag, with Vera, the hair from Burberry, as my bag charm. This is a pretty cool bag. So if you want to see what fits in it, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. I got my Pandora bracelet on, pretty cool, and my Apple Watch in rose gold, along with the Jord wood strap, pretty cool. Alright, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing here. Got my blade. Let's do the shopping channel first. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're in. Alright, they had a special going on. So buy 3, get 1 basically free. So I went ahead and took advantage of that. Alright, so these are sheets and they're by St. Clair Accessories. This is in the mint. Alright. And this one is in the blush. And there's the information on it. These are pretty nice sets here, and this one is really cool. This is like a aqua color. So I got 3 in there. All right, and then we got 1 for the RV, because that's a different size. So those 3 are all doubles, and this one's a queen. And this one is in the blush. And if you're interested in any of those, I'll leave all the details below. That's a real pretty color. It's kind of a peachy, pinky color. Oh, and that's the receipt. Alright, so that's the box and the bag. And my Hudson Bay bag is like that, basically. And I found out some pretty cool stuff. I got a Chanel travel kit. And this used as your travel perfume, basically. And then in both of these are the refills, and then you can also buy just the refills to go with it. So this is the Chance one, and some information on the Chanel travel or any Chanel perfumes at the Bay. They do not have bags or ribbon or anything like that from Chanel. Basically what the lady said is that it comes from Europe and they're not providing any bags or anything like that. So if you do pick up any of these items from Chanel thinking that you're gonna get a bag and you're gonna get like ribbon like you normally do, for the COVID, they're not providing them. So it was a little bit disappointing, but I understand. But these are pretty nice and this really smells great. So, all right, that's the other receipt. All right, and then what else did we get? All right.
Nothing from me.
And that's the receipt from the Hudson Bay. And Ted got a few things so he can stop whining. I don't get nothing. Well, he got some stuff today, so praise the Lord. All right, these are pretty cool actually. I love this color. These shirts are very hard to find because he's a very smart dresser. So he got a blue shirt, very nice. It's a cotton and poly blend. And he got a white shirt here. So that's gonna look wonderful in the motorhome for our trip on the 19th, so.
White for purity.
Oh.
Right?
Right. Yeah.
That's me.
Oh, yeah. So I'll leave all the information below there too. All right, so those are my unboxings for today. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'll be doing some more unboxings. I'm waiting for my Pandora back order to get here. So I have one Pandora unboxing probably this week, and hopefully I'll get the rest of my order. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.